Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use bold text in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Display and Brightness. In this option, you will find here Font and Display Size. Click on this. Now here you can see bold text. If you want to use bold text in your phone, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to use bold text in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.